Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jay's Creative Space. Today I have a VR for the open collab to make artist trading coins, and this is actually hosted by 4 different channels, and it's by Melodi Made, Martha Hamilton, Annie Creates, and by Mimi with Love. So I am just showing you my artist trading coins for the week, and what these are just 2.5-inch little circle coins, as you see here. And this was we were to reveal them every Thursday in November, and so this is what I made this week. And this week I kind of went with like a blue type of theme, snowy theme. So the first one I have is this one with the reindeer. As you can see, the little reindeer, and I made like kind of like a little ornament with bottle caps, and I covered it with this is actually not a resin sticker that goes, it was like a little snow globe sticker that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut it to fit inside the bottle cap. I think I might make some little hair bows with those stickers now that I see they fit kind of good in there. And I just, of course, y'all know if I make just about any craft, it's gonna have a bow because I love bows. So that's just what this one looks like. And the back is just plain blue. I don't think I showed you the back last time. So the backs of that are just plain blue. This one is kind of surprising because I don't really normally care for poinsettias, but I don't know why. I just felt like they looked really pretty up here. And I just did like some washi on the sides, and then that silver is washi tape as well. This is just Christmas tree ribbon that I had. It's a really pretty trim. And these were the poinsettias were actually planner stickers, and I just cut them out and then put them on with, like, you know, the little foam tape. So that's how I made this one, and it just, all the backs look the same. And this is the last one, and I just used like a snowman paper on this one. And this tin right here is actually this tin is the lid of, you know, the Pillsbury rolls. We had some crescent rolls, and my daughter asked me, you know, Mommy, do you want to use this in your crafting? And I was like, sure, because they're used to me using, like, you know, trash, I guess, and crafting with it. But and this is just a little Christmas tree sticker I put in the middle of that, but I liked how it was silver because I wanted it a silver background, so I used the Pillsbury lid from the rolls. And just here's the back of that. Like I said, they're all just plain blue, but I liked how these turned out. I would just like to since this is the last week, I would like to really thank the ladies for hosting this open collab. I had so much fun doing my trading coins and doing something new. I'm new to paper crafting, so I just enjoyed kind of thinking outside the box of my normal type of crafting and just having fun. I just will say that it's just fun. When we do crafts and DIYs, at the end of the day, we should be enjoying it, and I really did enjoy doing this. And if there's any type of crafty collabs out there that y'all know of, just let me know, because I'm really enjoying doing them. And with that said, I will see y'all next time. I will see you next craft, next haul, and y'all stay blessed. Bye.